we have today agreed to further mitigate the impact on households and businesses during enduring energy price shock arising from the conflict in the Middle East. Government is now extending the temporary measures to reduce excise duty on petrol, diesel and marked gas oil from the end of May to the end of July. Further reducing mineral oil taxes, the government is by 10 cents per litre on petrol, 10 cents per litre on diesel and 2.4 cents per litre on marked gas oil. Postponing the increase in carbon tax from May until the budget in October. Enhancing the transport support schemes for all haulage operators in the country, for local link and school transport providers and some commercial operators. Introducing a fuel subsidy support scheme for farming and fisheries. The government recognises and understands the pressures that have arisen due to rising fuel costs as a result of war in Ukraine and in the Middle East on all families and businesses. I'm very conscious of the fact that we have to ensure that we support people, protect key services and make critical investments. The package we have agreed today is a significant response to real pressures being felt here and globally. As we've seen during the week, the resolution of this conflict could lead to relatively rapid and significant falls in oil prices. In the meantime, we will implement these extra important temporary measures which will directly help people impacted by this unprecedented global crisis in energy supply resulting from the war in the Middle East.